All right, we are live and we are live on time for like the first time ever. Actually, 5 minutes early, depending on when I'm gonna actually want to have these streams start. Might have them start at 8 a.m. Eastern. Might have them start at 8:15. I'm not entirely sure yet, but this is exciting. So let's talk about what's going on. I'm actually curious. Did we tap this high? No, we didn't. But we completely filled this daily fair value gap here. And the thing about this daily fair value gap is it was also a 12 hour, it was also a 6 hour, and you can see as I bring this down, all of a sudden it's getting more precise. I mean, see how perfectly we filled that 6 hour? So the 6 hour fair value gap, in my opinion, was the bottom of the SPY model here. And so I was saying how this could possibly have been a midweek reversal weekly profile if Discord will load. Let's just open Discord on my browser. I don't know why it's not loading, but anyway, because we swept out these lows into this fair value gap and then we started cleaning candle closures higher, seemed like we were possibly making a buy model, and that is what ended up happening. So to me, well, one, we got SMT with the low over here. Let me pull up the other chart just so I can like make sure we get the right information. But yeah, there was SMT with this low here. So we'll mark this out with our little SMT here. We got this market maker buy model. Can you add text to these? That would be cool, but I guess not. So let's put this down here. All right. So one thing I'm noting is this seems like a pretty strong breaker, this highest up close candle. I'm curious how we will react off of this breaker. That's one thing to consider. But I do think since we got giant SMT here, I highly doubt that it's gonna stop right here. I highly doubt it. I mean, this is a clear manipulation move. We still got quite a ways before we even hit that 2 to 2.5. So I'm fully anticipating a move higher. I still think we got a lot of room to go. Let's go down the lower time frame, and if you measure out this, let's see where this puts us. It's around that same area, so very close. Actually, we measured this out wrong. So if you measure down, if you move it down here, there's that 2 to 2.5. It's around the same area as the point, right? There's a 4 to 4.5 right there. So we should measure out some other ones as well, but for starting out, this is pretty decent. Man, it really does look like we could get something good soon. We have this 15-minute fair value gap here. I would love to see us get an inversion off of this. We could get a trade for the entire day. I mean, this is pretty low resistance. Let's put on our session highs and lows. And I'm going to get all my indicators set up on the other screen. So I'm going to add we're actually reacting off the event horizon right now, which is kind of interesting. We also have a new day opening gap down here. That's probably worthwhile to note. Let me pull this down. I'm trying to keep the toolbars down here so they're not in the way. Okay. Session highs and lows. So, as far as daily profile goes, this is interesting because let's pull up our daily profiles. So, I feel like there could be a couple options. Now, this if we got this inversion, like it might be okay, but I'd prefer us to sweep out this low. So I probably wouldn't take it. But maybe I'd take it on demo or something, but I honestly would prefer us to come down, at least take out this low. Anyway, daily profiles here. We got quite a bit of options. So typically, I was gonna say, let's pull this up. So I think the main thing you understand is like London reversal. London moves one way and then reverses and then continues through New York. So London reversal is basically this, right? Boom, boom. And New York reversal is basically this. Boom, boom. Wait. New York reversal is basically this. Boom, boom. Right? So, as much as I want to say, like, this could be London reversal because we probably pushed into this 1 hour BPR, I'm honestly maybe thinking that it could be New York reversal. And actually, what it might be, oh, you know what it might be? No, I was gonna say it could be New York Judas, but that doesn't really look like it either. Unless you're talking about this one, but that would imply we're coming back down, and I think we're bullish. I think I'm gonna get rid of the dates. Okay. And then I'm gonna save that. Man, I'm actually not entirely sure, but I do know we're generating liquidity right now. I get that London pushed into a BPR, but I'm not convinced that that is necessarily like gonna stop price from reversing, especially once we get into this breaker block. This seems like a very strong breaker block. And we do have that new day opening gap. Let's pull that up as well. Here you can see this new day opening gap. And guys, don't let me forget to switch my chart over once I need to make my trade on. I need to go to my executable chart here. Okay. So I could see us coming down and tapping into this new day opening gap. And you know what else? We might have a I would say this is a good Reaper fair value gap here. I'm curious to see how we respond off this. Oh man, like I don't know. I'm gonna be really patient with this. I'm gonna wait for us to get something good. Like I know before I kind of entered early on, before we get these double purges, and I honestly really want to see a double purge. If I'm being completely honest, like I want to see. I know the market's going up. I want to see like some kind of double purge, or something. And you can see this is in discount of this. Man, I think honestly any entry within here would be so good. But it's just hard to get an entry, you know? So I think we're gonna go lower here. Yeah, I think as much as this could have been a key level in London, I'm leaning more towards we're gonna reverse. And we're generating liquidity. Market's so bullish right now. High time frame key level. Yeah, this 2-hour breaker. Here's that breaker. Here's the breaker outlined a little bit more precisely. Maybe we wick into the end dog. I think that's possible. So we'll just have to wait and see. I think let's get our executable chart up so we don't mess this up. Make sure that we're on the executable chart here. Here, let's get that breaker lined up. So we got this breaker on the 2-hour. This is a super solid breaker. I think honestly anywhere in here is fair game for longs. Like I'm waiting for a lower time frame entry, right? I'm gonna get out my trading software. I'm gonna get out long and short tools so I don't have to deal with not having them, because that's always super annoying. So we could get this 15-minute inversion. And like I said, we're reacting off of that event horizon. You can't really see it though, but we are. I mean, this genuinely seems like we're in like the manipulation stage of this daily candle, right? I mean, don't you think we're like we could be forming a low of the day pretty soon? Is what I would say, right? So we have this 15-minute fair value gap overlapping with this breaker, right? And then there's the new day opening gap in the Reaper as well. So we'll mark those out. Honestly, this one might be the best one to use for the Reaper. Probably use this one. I have a funded account. I have not gotten a payout. But I'm not like the best trader in the world. I make a lot of mistakes, so just understand that. But every day I journal in extreme detail, and I'm getting better every single day. So yeah, this area will, like, if we can get a lower time from entry within this area, it'd be pretty cool. But the thing is, it needs to look good. Like, I can't have any more like fake lows that halfway fill these confluences. Like, I want to see us dig deep into it. So I'm gonna try and be really thoughtful about it. Okay. And then also I wanted to look at the new day opening gap. So the new day opening gap is decently lower than the other stuff. So I'm just like, I guess I'll just see what happens. I mean, we could. It's very possible that we could just wick into all of it, and then we just get like a really nice inversion up. And I think it's just one of those situations where you're just gonna know the setup when you see it. So I'm not gonna like, if I see something that's iffy, I'm probably not gonna take it. But there's just a lot of confluences here right now. So we'll just have to wait and see. We should look for SMTs as well. So go looking at the S&P. We might actually, it's possible we don't take out this low, because if we don't, then there'll be an SMT. So that's something to consider. But I think the market wants to go into fair value here. Man, what else could we look at right now while we're waiting for a setup? What is this candle today? And we have PPI coming out, I think, in like 3 minutes. So I think so we might go lower off of this breaker here. Just tapered in this. Well, we have 2 minutes until news comes out, I believe. Right? Yeah. 2 minutes. Should be interesting. Oh, and we could get a one setup for life too, which would be pretty sweet. But I'm gonna get my long position out. Just always having it ready, because I don't want to have to deal with not having it ready. And then I can just click stop loss. Man, if anyone knows how to make it so like when I change the units, my stop loss stays at 200. Oh. Is that how? So I just put in 200 and then but then I still have to put in 200 every time. Okay, I figured it out. So if I want to keep the stop loss constant, I just go boom. But see, now it changed it down to. So if I want to keep the stop loss constant, I have to click on that, and then I can change this. Okay, I get the idea. All right, we got data high, data low. We might end up leaving this data high, which would be pretty nice. We could use that as a target later on. Just gonna be incredibly thoughtful here. I want to be incredibly thoughtful. Not make any stupid decisions. So I do think we're gonna go form low of the day here. I really do. I think this will be a low of the day within here somewhere. Possibly at either the Reaper or the End Dog. I do think low of the day will be formed here. But I'm not gonna rush anything. We got equal highs on the S&P as well. Yeah, we're about to be at the low of the day right now. So this is low of the day currently. And this new day opening gap is also a new week opening gap. Honestly, pretty high chance that we come to this new day opening gap, this new week opening gap. Honestly, because it's both, right? Wait, is it actually both? How is it even both? Yeah, okay. Alright, just gonna be patient here. Looking for some kind of setup that'll go off this new day opening gap or this Reaper. Ideally, the new day opening gap. But the other reality is this could end up being a London continuation day. I mean, New York continuation day, and then I just get screwed. So I'm just gonna be thoughtful here, but I think we could be forming low of the day. Oh, and you know what else? We got a midnight open from yesterday, right here. Okay, where's that? Not from yesterday, but the day before. This one. Like, if I was a turtle soup trader, I would just buy right there and see what happens. Low key, maybe I should try it on one of the accounts, but it's not one of that's breaking my rules. I'm not gonna do that. I bet you we react right here. I want to see like a fake low from the Reaper, maybe. Like that would be kind of cool. Did we take out this low over here yet? We're about to. Another reason this is so good is like this is like a really good imbalance right here. I want a turtle soup so bad. I feel like it's gonna react here, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna watch and wait. So maybe we'll get a fake low, like something like this, and then push higher, and then low, and then I want to see like a double purge, and then something like that. That'd be cool. And also we're delivering too fast to the downside, so we're not in any position to be able to look for longs. I think delivering this fast to the downside is a huge red flag, and so I want to be able to see some shift in structure. Alright, let's see how we react off of this. Let's watch this. Sometimes you can either cut right through them or you can hold them. So let's see. Alright, we're already getting a reaction off of it. So right here, how could I do this? Maybe I could take an entry and then just move stop loss to break even right here, and just that way I get a lower entry. That's an idea. I'm just gonna try and be thoughtful here, because yeah, so we got this external gap right here. Oh, we haven't even looked at stat map. Oh, shoot. I always forget to look at something. Okay, stat map. What do we got? What do we got for today? Alright, we're right around that daily manipulation level. And near the time around when you want to see it as well. Both incredibly good signs. Man, this is a okay inversion. But like it's the same thing I've been saying. Like I want to see another sweep of a low, so I'm not gonna take it. I'm just gonna be. Oh, what? What just happened? I want to see some kind of like. I want to see some more structure for him. I think what could happen is you inverse and then you get rejected. You go form a lower low. Something like that. I also would like to see SMT for confirmation. Can we get an SMT with something? Possibly. Where could we see SMTs at? Let's see. I don't see a ton of options. I mean, we already took out one of the main lows here. There's this low. I guess there's a low from right here, but like I don't know if that's that high probability. Like I said, I think that we need to go form some more structure first before, like this isn't something people smart money's gonna take. That inversion would not be something smart money would take. And interestingly, wait, is this a data low? Yeah, because there was CPI yesterday. Well, I don't know if I would consider this a data low, but maybe. Would this be considered a data low? I don't know, but I'm bullish. Remember, I'm thinking this is the weekly profile for midweek reversal. So you hit that key level in the middle of the week. Let me show that up. Show that again. I do think this is a midweek reversal week. So here you have midweek reversal. Let me show midweek reversal. Okay. Midweek reversal. Middle of the week you hit a key level like Tuesday or Wednesday, and then you distribute up through Friday. I think we got much more room to expand to the upside right now, if I'm being completely honest. And this is just a giant breaker, so I guess we'll just have to wait and see what happens, honestly. But we did react off of that new day opening gap already. But I want to see this, like, honestly, probably get filled. Or we'll see, honestly. What else do we have here? Like, I want to see some kind of sweep. There's got to be something. As far as time goes, 950. We got macro here. Let's list out our macros. I might have to get a new thing for a new indicator for macros. Okay, we inverse this, but once again, like I want to see some more like of a failure swing. Honestly, we're delivering from the new day opening gap though. I want to see us sweep this low again. I want to see this fail. This could work. I guess we'll just have to see. We have an external gap here, delivering from the new day opening gap. I'll be okay if this doesn't work. I want to see some more structure form. But the trade that would have been, the trade that would have happened here would have been stop loss here at this low. I think we'll hit this fair value gap, but like I said, this isn't gonna be. I don't think this is gonna be the reversal. In all honesty. Okay, my chart's getting kind of messy. So what I might do is I might move my confluences to the other screen. And yeah, that way I can see them still, but I don't need to have these up all the way. And we completely filled this breaker here. Okay. All right. This is a good start, but I think this fair value gap, external gap, might reject price lower. Here you have that Reaper fair value gap. Maybe we will come up. I don't think this is a good trade though, so I'm not taking it. I get it. There's an inversion to this high. Like I get that would have been like 0.7 to 1 risk reward. I'm just not that interested in that. Being completely honest. I would like to see us come down and sweep that. Personally. Alright, I got everything lined up now on my other screen, which is really good. So you can see how we filled this Reaper and touched this End Dog. It's pretty cool. Yeah, like I said, I was thinking this external high might get hit, but honestly, I think we might need to go lower here and just get a second purge of this low, maybe a third purge. I mean, yeah, maybe fake sweep, inversion, and then like it's just you'll know the one that's gonna work because it'll just be like stupidly obvious. Can we get an indicator for macros? Let's just see if we can get one real quick. I'm gonna turn the light on. Okay, where's macro indicator here? Let's see. I want Hydra's macros as well. Why can't it'd be cool? This indicator would be cool if I could add my own macros. Cause it's missing some. Okay, I like this indicator a lot. I'm just not a fan that I can't add the Hydra ones. Well, I'm gonna add this to my other screen. It's at least kind of helpful, but not super helpful. Alright, let's see how this one is. Alright. Man, look at this macro. I kind of like this one. Dude, Lux, Algo, and 2 degrees are the goats. Can I please get a the Hydra macros? I just want one with the Hydra macros, dude. Or at least be able to make my own macros. It's annoying. This one's okay. Well, this is a macro. Just turn on 2 degrees. One real quick. Actually, the Lux Algo one works better. Because it tells you in live time. What the heck? Why does it say 950 to 1010? It's not even 950. Oh. Low key, wait, is my time zone wrong? No, it says New York. UTC 5, New York. Yeah, because my time is 6:54 a.m. And here it says 8:54. So I'm 2 hours earlier. So this is right. I don't know why it's saying 950. I want to see us come down and take out this low again. And fill this. And maybe do it again after that. So if we're looking for AMD, right? This could be possible AMD. Just gonna get rid of this. We got that breaker fair value gap here. This could actually move the market down a little bit. Maybe I'll take this. It's not bad. Low key though, I missed it. My RR would not be good. Like, what would I target though? Is the thing. There's like, I mean, you could target this low. I guess you could do that. I would have taken this if I saw it. I would have taken it on a separate account, not my main account, but. We got another one here. But at this point now, it's like, okay, well. Like, are we too low now? I probably could still work. I could try it. If this can inverse, then I'm gonna stop to break even. That wasn't good. Man, that wasn't a super good trade. This one was good. This breaker one. This one. So lesson there is if it's like a breaker already reacted off of breaker, like probably just leave it alone. mean, this is a decent breaker for value gap. I was legit gonna take this. That one was actually a good one. Unlike the other one. Yeah, I should have taken that one. Might have been break even though. We'll see. Honestly, I should just stop taking those lower quality trades on the fourth account because I know it's not good. I think this might end up being break even. Let's see. Interesting. You know what was good though? This. So I think maybe I'd get break even here, but I don't know. Probably just need to have a little more patience, honestly. I mean, I would like to see, personally, what I'd like to see is I'd like to see us take out this low here and form an SMT. I don't know if we'll get that, but good chance we don't. But maybe we do. I mean, we really gotta finish waiting for this model to form here. This is a nice breaker for value gap. You see this? You see how obvious it is? That's why it's working so well. The most obvious ones work the best. Except I think I would have got break even right here. And this would have hit TP. I mean, maybe someone is even holding this to data high. I personally don't think we're gonna get over this external gap on the first go round, but maybe. I don't know. I'm kind of more leaning towards like, let's take all this out. Let's go back down and take this out. That's what I'm kind of leaning towards. Oh, we got a BPR here. We got SMT here. Man, did we even hit that BPR though? I guess this is a 1 minute BPR right here. Actually, this one's kind of better. Oh man, do I want to take this? I'm suspicious. Take this. If we get it. We also had SMT here. Probably just move stop loss to break even at this low. Oh man, I don't know if this is gonna work. We'll see. Nice quick pop above an old high though. I mean, that is the nice thing about it. So I think it's decent. We'll see. I mean, this seems low resistance. But what do I know? My win rate is like actual crap. Are you serious? I just want to win a trade, like, genuinely. I'm just getting really frustrating. Like, just for once, I just want to win a trade. It's been a long, long time since I've really been winning trades, so just come on. Man, I like this one. It's too bad. I mean, think about all the people that bought in here. Think about this from an AMD perspective. You got think about it, right? Just getting rid of everything else, right? A, M. No way, dude. Oh my gosh. I should just move stop to break even. Bro, I don't know what's going on. I think this is decent. But once again, what do I know? Bro, I can't believe I didn't get stopped out there. That's crazy. Low key, maybe just take all off at the end of the LRLR. I don't know though. Man, I should have got stopped out. That's ridiculous. I'm so lucky. I see this as manipulation, right? Yeah, that 2 to 2.5 is right down here. I don't know, man. Once again, like if this fails, I'll just journal it. I'm not gonna back out of the trade. I'm just gonna just let it be, and if it fails, it fails. Whatever. Fails, I journal and I get better. If it works, great. stopped out on that. I just need a little bit more patience. Like, these are trades I should be taking on demo, right? They're trades I should be taking on demo. And I know this. I mean, I'm just gonna really look at the two trades I took. Like, what happened? Anyone see any SMTs? Let me know. Oh, we got bullish SMT here. Okay, we might reverse off of this. My guess is market will open. It'll go boom, 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 and then dump down here, and then we'll get our setup. That's my guess. Honestly, I might look for a possible setup where you get an inversion like this. I don't give a crap if there's SMT. This is obviously low resistance. Okay. Alright, my eyes are kind of opening a little bit here. I see this as A, possible M. Possible M. And then maybe D. Actually, low key, I should just fade myself and go long here. It's the data high. Oh man, what am I saying? Well, let me actually just try and think with a straight mind right now. Oh man, this is... Like, I don't know, like, what liquidity are you targeting? This is a BPR, man. I don't know. My instinct is telling me, like, this is a 3-minute BPR. Why would you long this to the data high if there's a BPR here? Like, that's my instinct right now. So I'm just gonna trust my instinct. Just understanding the liquidity is a big deal. So I'm gonna go here. Quantity 10. What account would this be on? That's weird. Okay, market opened. We didn't even tap into that BPR. I'm kind of surprised about that. Man, I guess this is just like analyzing market conditions. Like, this is accumulation. Like, understanding there's macros, just key times that you need to expect to see your price to move. Let me see if I can get a new indicator for macros that actually gives me like my own custom macros. It's exactly kind of what I thought was going to happen, though. Like, we're going to run this LOLR. So, at At this point, we're getting SMT with this low. But I don't know. I'm kind of wanting to see SMT like this. We have the new day opening gap down here. I'd like to see us come fill this. So maybe we'll get this lower low here. Still need an indicator for macros. I need to find one. Can you set your own custom macros with this? No. Alright, we swept out all these lows. Could be worth trying to the data high, but did we get SMT? I guess, kind of, but I don't know. I'm really wanting to see this new day opening gap get hit. Let's see if I can add the macros. I'm trying to figure out. Once again, I can't add my own macros. That's not what I want. Oh, man, I would like to see us push down and take out low of the day one more time. Like, Man, I think one of the main issues, I need to be careful with those 3 minute trades. We got SMT here. Okay. So I think we will push lower. It was exactly like I was thinking. It's just, once again, the market's trying to make it hard. It's trying to make it as hard as possible to get in. There's SMT right there. Okay. So I see this as A. Manipulation down to this time level and then distribution. But maybe we need to see a double purge of this. Man. It's low-key a bad AM session, honestly. I really do want to wait for a double purge. Genuinely, I really do want to wait for a double purge. Of this low. This is what I would like to see. On the higher time frame, what are we looking at? Yeah, same deal. Like, it'd make a lot of sense if right here was where we got this move back up. I mean, we've been generating liquidity all day long. Understand this is also that Reaper fair value gap too. This is Reaper. So, I mean, this would just make a lot of sense to get a move back up here. I mean, low key, I might just save myself the headache and just do this. But that's not according to my rules. I don't know. I don't know. I might do this on my fourth account. I might just I might break my rules. Interesting. Bro, this is just chop. This is not what you want to see. Fair value gaps getting closed up above and below. It's not ideal. Alright, maybe I'll just go to the bathroom and come back. This is not good. All right, finally getting moved down. I think I might just do it. I mean, I think it's worth a shot. Oh. I know it's not good that it's like not according to my rules, but this, like, I genuinely think this is so high probability. Like, everything I've been looking at lines up here. So if we come in and fill this, I'm kind of considering doing something that's like kind of stupid, but like I genuinely just want to try it. Like, I'm really thinking that right now, yeah, that's kind of what I'm wanting to do. I'm genuinely, I know it's not like according to my rules, but I'm honestly, we have the new day opening gap just chilling below this low. We have the new day opening gap chilling below this low, and we've been accumulating for like the entire morning. I want to see us push into this. I genuinely might just enter with a stop loss below the new day opening gap and just see what happens. On my fourth account, well, the one I take less seriously, but I don't know. It's kind of breaking my rules, but I kind of want to try it because I could definitely see that happening where we just run into this and then let's just do it on the fourth account, the one that's already like majorly in drawdown. Bro, because could you imagine, like, what if this could be like that's a 5-to-1 to the data high. These highs, what is that? 11-to-1. And especially if it forms an SMT too. Alright, I might do it. So I'm gonna just switch it. Yeah, I'm gonna bring my stop loss. Oh, okay, it's only 210. Bro, what am I doing? This is retarded. Do it. Or maybe I just have it continue higher. because at that point it'll be like, what passes the account? I gotta be careful though, because I can't hit trailing drawdown. Uh, Low key, the account might hit trailing drawdown if I do this. Let's just do it. See what happens. Low key though, this could be the craziest trade like ever I've ever done. Cause like obviously this is A accumulation. I mean, if we go down, take out this low, form an SMT into the new day opening gap, that's like, bro, that's like really good. All right, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh no. Oh no. But let's see if we can get an actual setup on the other two accounts that aren't in drawdown. Let's try and be serious on these. Oh, this one is in drawdown, but the other one, this one's not in drawdown. Let's see if we can get a setup. Like, I think we're going to dump because we got that we got like low time from SMT right here. And we'll see. Okay, if we get an inversion off of this, off the new day opening gap, that would look good. Like, I think the thing about NDogs is, like, they're good when you pair them with AMD. Because, like, obviously this is A. Like, I think this could be M. I'd like to see SMT form here. Where's the S&P's new day opening gap? Okay, it's quite a bit lower. So, I don't know if we'll get there. Alright, we'll see. We'll see. Going into 8 a.m. too. What is this chop? What? My gosh. This is a terrible AM session. I mean, seriously. Maybe I'll stay on for PM today because AM sucks today. Actually, I'll probably do that. What is this? There's not anything to trade right now. It's just crap. Maybe I'll like do something else for a bit. Does anyone know like a macro one that shows Hydra's macros too? A macro indicator. And why isn't it showing the 1310 one? What's a macro projection? Oh, I see. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I like the macro tracker, but I just wish it showed the other macros too. Oh, we're getting that move down, possibly. We left equal highs too. Let's go. Okay. We were in the macro, but there wasn't really any trades. I mean, and you definitely don't want to be taking inversions right now because it's just bad price action for inversions. Like, really bad. I mean, you can tell that there's no institutional sponsorship right now. It's just dead. This is so boring. Well, this is just really bad price action. I'm gonna text Dodgy. I'm just gonna play. I'm gonna play some blitz games. I'll be playing some blitz games. Let's. I want to keep the chart open. I'll pull up the chart on the other screen, bro. Oh, we're moving down now. Finally. Okay, we'll play some blitz games, but I will have the chart pulled up. I'm not forgetting about trading. I'm looking at it. Just really, this is really dumb. So we're just gonna wait. Cause this is honestly the best way to do it. Like you can't trade until you get a setup. So you just wait. That's all you can do. We're gonna play some chess games. All right, let's see. Did I do increment or not? I guess I didn't. I'll just go like that. No, that doesn't work. Play this first. And then I'll go like this. Castle. Maybe we're getting to move higher right now. Split that. I'm trying to think what there's. We'll take the queen this way. Okay, we're getting that move lower. Possibly. Or we're just still chopping around, most likely. Alright. I just go there. Okay, finally, maybe we're gonna get that move lower that we wanted. That would be so ideal. Yes, finally. Okay. We're getting the move lower. Alright, we're getting it. We're getting it. It's happening. No SMT yet with this low. Alright, I guess let's just keep waiting. Let's go here. Okay, we're getting the move lower. Ooh, you know what? I have this. than this. Dub. Okay. Okay, we are getting a move lower. Oh, I kind of messed this up. You can just take like that. I didn't see that. We have not yet tapped into it yet. I'm gonna run out of time in this game. I'm probably gonna lose. Yeah, I lost on time. Bruh. I mean, there's just I thought we might go down there, but I mean we did not. Clearly, still quite away from this order here. Man, there's just nothing. There's like actually nothing. No, in no world is this a good setup. It's just chop, man. Message on Discord. Let's do some more higher time frame analysis on the NQ the higher on NQ's chart here. We just got this inversion, but I don't think it means much, honestly. Okay, yeah, I mean, I think we're gonna manipulate into this new day opening gap. What I'm wondering is, like, if this is a buy model, Wednesday low of the week, we're gonna continue higher. Yeah, you would think that this fair value gap would be a pretty solid area to reverse. It's getting kind of late though for this to be manipulation. Like, dang, this is stupid. S&P looks like it might make the lower low actually. So that, I don't know, what does that mean? That means we might not get S&P. I don't know. S&P looks like it's making a lower low, to be honest. Or maybe we're just gonna dump. Like, we might just start dumping. I don't know. I mean, this is an order block too. Like, on the S&P. Alright, we might get something here in just a second. I mean, I think we might react off this breaker, but... I guess we'll see how we react to this new day opening gap. Let's see. I mean, this could be a fake inversion if we get it. Like, I know we just reacted off the new day opening gap, but, like, I want to see us, like, get further in here. That's one way to always remember not to go on the wrong account. Alright, we will see what happens here. Alright, are we gonna load? Come on. Alright, there's that level I said that might get a reaction. Been waiting for this for a while. We'll see if we get it. Alright, just filled the gap. See if it gives us a reaction or not. I don't know if it will. Looks like we might cut right through it. Dang. Unfortunate. Yeah, I think I just got stopped out on this. Yeah. Dang it. Oh, man. I was wrong. I was definitely wrong. Okay. No open positions in your trading account yet. Filled. No open positions in your trading account yet. Cancelled, filled. Just making sure there's nothing. No open positions in your trading account yet. Cancelled, filled. Alright. Why is it lagging so much? FA says 2 minute looks clean. Okay, can we not lag right now though? This is kind of annoying. Don't lag. Do not lag, bro. Oh my gosh. Exit out and go back in. What's going on? Okay, we'll see. Okay, I'll probably take this on the PA account if we get it. Loading. That new day opening gap was useless, bro. Man. $4-minute. I don't even have the 4-minute, but I believe him. Okay, let's see if we can get this. Okay, long. Oh, gotta get out of it in a different tab. Okay. Okay. Okay, what is this? 4.4 contracts. Alright, I'll do 4. Let's do like, it's probably close to the data high. Okay. 30 seconds till closes. Come on. Can we get close above? Come on. It's a nice looking inverse value gap. Okay, after we run this LRLR, after we run after we run the equal highs here, stop loss to break even. Or I could take all off here. But I don't know. I have conviction in the data high getting hit probably. I could just take all off here, but I think I'll hold the data high. I mean, this is also a breaker, so this is a good trade on the other account too. That 2-minute inversion was just nice. It was really nice. Or it was a 1 minute. BPR. I'd like to take this BPR on a different account, but I'm not doing it. But this looks good. Or maybe I will. I don't know. Yeah, I'll take the BPR trade on the other account. Data high. Never mind. Like I know like this is like free money here, but I think we'll go the data high. Here we got a close above this breaker. It's a good close. That was, yeah. There's that hit. I'm gonna move stop to break even now. So we will see, but that's the where you take profit for free money right there. Okay, we'll see if this data high hits. That was, I'm trying to think of the word, relatively simple. So far, at least. Hmm. Nice. I think we'll go run all this as well. But I'm going to take profit at data high. I was 100% right about the New Day opening gap, though. I was 100% right. All morning, I was calling this out. I was saying we're gonna react here, and what happened? We went. What is going on? Hello. Anyway, all morning out, I was calling like, hey, we're probably gonna go push into this New Day opening gap. We're probably gonna go fill it and react off of it. I didn't know if we were gonna. Honestly, I kind of thought at the time we might dump right through it, but we didn't. So, but in the morning, I thought, okay, we're probably gonna react there or go down there. Alright, we'll see what happens. So, yeah. Oh man, I knew there was a chance we'd react off those that high. Well, we'll see what happens. Might take this actually. Delivering from a woman at Gap. Okay, we'll see. Because we're delivering from a woman at Gap. It's in line with the bias. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Hmm. We'll just have to see. It's really feeling bipolar right now. Nice. I took it too. I'm taking this is on a different account. Yeah, I took this inversion. We'll see what happens. Alright, I think I just got stopped out on that other account. Yeah, I did. I'm just not good enough, I guess. I might try this one too. projecting out to that high. We have an order block. Alright, I'm going to the bathroom. It is what it is. Oh man, dang. Oh, how fun. I got break even there. Alright. Get rid of that. No open positions. No open positions. No open positions. And then I got this one. Well, I have no words, dude. I'm just trying my best. I'll be hitting the journal later. I will be hitting the journal. Big time. And I broke my rules. I broke my rules on 2 accounts. I think in 2 different ways. Ugh. we'll see what happens. Well, we will see what happens here. Okay. Alright. Above. Let's see what happens. Man. Why is it so weak? Genuinely, why? Why is it so weak? Are you serious? Low key, I was even considering putting a sell stop right there, just so this wouldn't happen. We literally inversed it, and that looks like pretty bullish. Using these two as one here. I don't know. What do I know? What do I know? I think we're gonna distribute up to here. Wow. What? So I guess you can consider this a BPR a little bit. BPR, kinda. Alright, come on. I'm just getting sick of this, watching it. 8 minutes until 11 Eastern. I mean, this should be the macro time, so I would think we would maybe start moving here. Maybe. Can we get up there? Alright. Got that change of state of delivery. Well, I guess we got it a little earlier, actually. We're almost there, maybe. I really don't want to watch this. It's so pointless. I'm just gonna let it be and see what happens. gosh. Alright, I'm just letting it be. All right, I'm back. I'm ending the stream. We hit TP. Thanks for watching.